Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing access so you can push code immediately. Generate an ed 25519 SSH key, add its public key to your GitHub account, and clone the repo using the SSH URL. Once done, set git config user. Name and user. Email so commits are attributed correctly. Make sure Git is installed and verify with Git version. This avoids HTTPS prompts and lets you push without entering credentials repeatedly. Now that authentication and local identity are set, move to creating and editing code. You'll create a feature branch and iterate locally. Switch to a descriptive branch with git checkout bfeature/name so main stays stable. Make edits, then stage with git add and write focused commit messages using git commit m. Describe what changed. Use git status and git diff to inspect your work. Once ready, rebase interactively to squash or tidy history, or merge into main if preferred. Make sure to pull remote updates first. Git pull rebase to keep history linear and avoid unnecessary merge commits. You'll finish by publishing your branch and opening a pull request. Push with git push uorigin feature/name, then create a PR describing the why and what. Request reviewers and ensure CI passes before merging. Once approved, merge via GitHub's UI or fast forward locally. If a push is rejected, fetch and git pull rebase origin main to replay commits, resolve conflicts in affected files, stage the resolutions, and continue the rebase. Then git push will succeed. That conflict resolution step is the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.